Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is with this chuck roast, it's a pot roast, is I'm gonna season it up and we are going to cook it. And I'm gonna cook it in my pressure cooker. Now, if you have an Instant Pot pressure cooker, a Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, it doesn't matter. This recipe is for you, okay? Okay, so turn on your pressure cooker. You're gonna hit start, sear saute, hit start, okay? So that's where we are. Okay, so the next step is to go on the inside of your pressure cooker and you are going to pour in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to sear your roast, your chuck roast, your pot roast, whatever you want to call it. It's a roast. Okay, so we are going to season this roast lightly. Salt your roast, of course. I'm using seasoning salt, but you can use regular salt. And garlic powder. And some black pepper, black pepper, black pepper. And you're gonna do this to both sides of your roast meat. So now go ahead and put some seasoning salt on the other side, some garlic powder on the other side, and some black pepper on the other side of your roast, okay? Put some seasoning on the other side. Make sure you get your onion, a medium to a large size onion, and chop your onion or cut it like I have done here, okay? I'm just using big pieces because that's all you need. Okay, so now that your Instant Pot or your Ninja Foodi is heated up, next step is to go ahead and place your roast inside. Hear that too? Yep. Because we are going to sear this roast. No, you don't have to put any dust in the flour on the outside to get it the way that you need to get it. Just go ahead and lay it in there and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes per side, up to 7. Get it to a nice golden brown color before we get ready to turn it to the other side. Okay, once your roast it's time to turn your roast. See the nice, beautiful sear that you can get in your Ninja Foodi or your Instant Pot to cook your chuck roast or your pot roast, as some call it. And that only took about 4 minutes. And I have it on sear saute high. And all I did was just add some of that Mazola corn oil. Just use about less than 1/4 cup. About 3 tablespoons. Enough for the bottom. Okay, so while your roast is being sauteed on the other side, you're going to take this seasoning packet by McCormick. It's a slow cooker's favorite pot roast seasoning pack, or whatever seasonings of your choice. Add it to your beef broth. Okay. Add the seasonings of your choice along with some cornstarch, and I would say about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to your beef broth if you're not going to use the packet, and mix it together. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead, take your beef broth and your seasoning packet for a roast, and pour it on up in there, okay? And you are also going to go ahead and add your veggies. Whatever vegetables you like. I'm only using onions because this is for my baked potato recipe. Okay? Voila. Okay, once you have your lid on, we're gonna go to our pressure cooker setting. Okay, we're gonna have it on high, and we are going to cook this for 1 hour, 60 minutes. And hit start. Allow it to come to full pressure and let it cook for the whole 60 minutes until it is done. Here I have a very large potato that I found in the Walmart that I'm going to use for baking. Before I bake my potato, I am going to poke just a few holes in it, because this is a huge potato. It's very huge. It's not a small one. Okay. So now I have my holes poked in my potato. My next step is to take a small amount of oil. I'm going to pour the canola oil in my hand. And I'm going to rub it all over my potato. Oil it up, glisser it up, make it shiny. Okay, so now to my baked potato. I'm gonna add some salt. I have kosher salt, I don't have sea salt. So put you some salt all around your beautiful baked potato. And if you have garlic salt, go ahead, use garlic salt. I'm gonna also add some garlic powder to the outside of my potato. Okay, so I'm gonna close my potato up in the foil. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook my baked potato at 350 degrees because this is a large one, y'all. It's gonna take about 1 hour and 30 minutes, okay? Okay, my roast is done. I let it do a natural release. To do a natural release, just turn it off. And once all the pressure is out, the red button, the red pin will go down. Into a bowl, I am going to use some of my drippings, my beef drippings from my roast. I'm going to use about 2 cups. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this brown gravy packet. Y'all don't know these things come in handy, okay? Just about a tablespoon. And I am also going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, however you like to pronounce it. I'm going to mix this together. Yeah, I'm gonna push this. Woo, it's hot, y'all. Hold on. So, cut your baked potato open. Don't cut it all the way through. You'll need some down at the bottom, okay? And just get you some out the middle. Be careful, because it's hot. Or you can wait till it cool off some, okay? Don't dig too far into the side, okay? Because you're going to need that potato side to hold everything in there. Okay, so now we got some of our potato off the side. And you can choose to take yours out or you can leave it in. But what I'm going to do now is I have that. And I'm going to start to build this potato. I am going to put just a little pepper small amount of garlic powder if we want some flavor in this potato. A dab of salt. A dab of salt, but add as much black pepper as you like. Okay, I'm gonna add in some cheese, and I'm gonna mix this up, y'all. So this is some cheddar cheese. I'm gonna mix this up. You can mix it up right here and leave the foil on there so that you can serve it warm. The foil will help keep it warm. Okay, also, I'm gonna add some bacon. Got some bacon cooked. Add bacon on the inside, and we're gonna add some on the top. Okay, also to the inside, we're gonna add in a small amount of onions. We're gonna add some of our roast. Okay. We're gonna add a lot of roast, not a small amount. Pile it up with some roast. Remember, this is a loaded baked potato. Ain't being skimpy with this. Your family gonna like this. It's just a different way of having potatoes and roast, okay?
Thank you.
You were high, lady?
That's too big of a potato.
That's why it's called a loaded potato spud. I got it from the restaurant. I'm doing what they got because I not ate from there before. You want to see my other big ass potatoes?
Yep. Why you didn't make us a potato? And you only made one?
You said you didn't want no potato.
Right, I don't want no meat. It wasn't
Oh,
no meat.
I ain't throwing
It
it
ain't no
out.
meat. It ain't no meat left anyways.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Whatever.
You must have bought a small pot roast. I'm gonna eat me pancake on a stick.
Y'all hear Leah?
That pot roast tastes good, but it ain't enough.
One, I would charge them $50 for this thing down there roast it. It's a big potato. I'm gonna add a small amount of that sauce, but you do serve it on the side. Okay, let's put some more cheese on it. Then we're gonna stick this in the oven and melt this cheese.
Now, one thing about it, you think for sure?
Okay. Let's melt this cheese and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, here is our roast beef potato spud. Copycat McAllister recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel for another video.